I'm living in that 21st century, doing something mean to it. Do it better than anybody you ever seen do it. Screams from the haters, got a nice ring to it. I guess every superhero need his theme music. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power. The system broken, the school's closed, the prison's open.
I'm a little hungry though, dude. Let's finish it quick. Alright, I'm gonna start rapping. So I typed a text to 20 girls in my cell, but I forgot they could see it was sent to everyone else. Not too good with technology, you can obviously tell. Got me leaning on a whole other spell. Blame the $4 wells. Happy hour, I'm happy now. I got Jack and Sour, a bag of powder in half an hour. We're back in Ballard. Sandwich chowder, always having a fit, getting ripped. Well, networking, now my manager's pissed. Flow tastic, I'm hoping I don't panic. My bros, they know Sammy, the host, think I'm romantic. Broke rappers with slow jabs, I'll beat them up. But my fans are hoping soon I'ma speed it up.
Oh gosh, I broke the plastic this time too. She destroyed. Oh crap. That's actually like the whole tail light. Yeah.
I ain't been smiling lately. I lost my mind, I'm wasting time. I got no power, baby. I need love shower daily. Buzz is crazy, me and my cousin Jay been killing these songs with kindness. I need some calm and quiet. I don't really like the attention, but I don't really fight the attention. I wonder will my life be mentioned in the book of life good writtens. How did my strength get listed? Just got a kite from prison. The homie say you're proud of the way I shed light for a minute, and I'm feeling the pressure. I really don't care for your car to correct my car or direction. I'm called to reflect God grace in the case of the cause and effect. Tell me how I'm supposed to count it all joy, but the stress y'all make me feel. Drive slow, homie. Drive slow, homie. You never know, homie. Might meet some homie. You need to pump your brakes and drive slow, homie. My homie Molly used to stay 79th and May. One of my best friends from back in the day. Down the street from Calumet, a school full of stones. He nicknamed me K-Rocks there, leave me alone. Bull's jacket with his hat broke way off. Walked around the mall with his radio face off. Plus he had a spinner from his Dayton's in his hand, keys in his hand. Reason again to let you know he's the man.
Yeah. What's your definition of success? I don't trust the thoughts that come inside my head. I don't trust this thing that beats inside my chest. Who I am and who I wanna be cannot connect. Why? Don't think I deserve it, you get no respect. I just made a couple mils, still not impressed. Let you down goes triple platinum, yeah, okay, I guess. Smile for a moment, then these questions starting to fill my head, not again. I push away the people that I love the most, why? I don't want no one to know I'm vulnerable, why? That makes me feel weak and so uncomfortable, why? Stop asking me questions, I just wanna feel alive until I die. This isn't ace flow, just let me rhyme, I'm in disguise. I'm a busy person, got no time for lies. One of a kind, they don't see it, I pull out their eyes. I'm on a rise, I've been doing this for most of my life with no advice. Take my chances, I just roll the dice.
Irvington, born in Brooklyn. I looked in the eyes of these cowards and hooked them and knocked them off of their 2 feet. I dropped them, hopped in those cars with the 2 seats. I locked them, popped them. The kids that was too beat, I boxed them. My clique was only too deep, I had to watch them. What, you talking to me? My boy clocks him. Back then was EPMD, Kane and Rakim. Slick Rick, KRS-One stayed in the top 10. Before that, Run DMC and Up Rockin'. Yo, I had a dream in the microphone. All the girls used to say, Jerome, I like your poem. And then I used to say back, girl, I like your tone. You're a precious little stone that I'd like to own. Now, since a lad, I've been writing these raps. I performed in the club, started fighting me back for dub.
Back in those days, I'm now bringing it back.
spinning on cardboard. Run up with a Tech 9, open your car door. Muy caliente, selling weed around my friend way, breaking bread with Diesel Don and Elder Sensei. And now I'm back to smacking you, rapper, 2 capitals made. Gats in your face, cop killer strapped to the waist. Easy goofy, catch a doozy for being a groupie. I got the Uzi that you only might see in a movie. Truly gritty, grimy, shifty, I'm witty, I'm silly. Really shiesty, but I'm chilly as Philly, you tiny. Mini minor, Mr. T, I'm a pity the rhymer. On call like Sean Paul, just give me the lighter. Pass the dro, master the flow, I carry on with AKs and cherry bombs. Shitting on every song I get on. The Billy Idol of rap, talk shit, I lay you down right on your back. Yeah, bro, I'm getting good, I'm getting clever, I'm getting things right in my life, I'm getting better, I'm getting something from me.
Better recognize a king when he rapping with you. You hoes suck, it's like you always bring a vacuum with you. Solid like a mannequin, but you ain't plastic, is you? Cause if you got a bone to pick, I got a matching issue. Talking about me, then it gotta be lies.